Bonjour à tous! Welcome back po to Learn French with Lourdes. Okay? So, our next lesson is lesson 5.2, Les Nombres, 20 jusqu'au 29. So, this is the continuation of our topic. Okay? So, last time po is 5.1, now it's 5.2. Okay? So, Les Nombres, mga numero po natin. Okay? We start with 20. 20 is 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 20, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, and 24 is 24. Can you please repeat them? Thank you po. So after 24, we have 25, which is called 25. 25. Okay? And then 26, 26. 26. 27 is 27. 27. 28 is 28. 28. 29 is 29. Can you please repeat? 25, 26, 27, 28 et 29. Merci. Okay, let's do them one by one. Okay, les lessons 5,2 ou 5, lesson 5.2, les noms. So we have 20, 20, 20. It's 20, okay? 20. Dalawampu po yan. Next, we have an example. J'ai 20 pesos. J'ai 20 pesos. I have 20 pesos, okay? We don't pronounce the S with the peso. Next, we have 21. 20 plus 1 égale 21. So, kaya po siya 21. 21. 20 plus 1, okay, equals 21. So, 21. Idudugtong po, you need to connect the T, 21. Okay, 21. So, we have an example ng 21. Il y a 21 élèves dans la salle. Il y a 21 élèves dans la salle. Okay? So, 20 et 21. So, after 21, 21, on a 22. 20 plus 2 égale 22. Okay? So, 20 plus 2 is 22. Normal. Okay? So, 22. 22. Okay? Elle a 22 ans. Elle a 22 ans. She's 22 years old. Okay? Next, we have 23. 23. Okay? 23. Okay? We have 20 plus 3 égale 23. So, nous avons, déductons, on va faire la liaison. We need to connect. Nous avons 23 invités. Nous avons 23 invités. Okay, we have 23 guests for our marriage. Okay, I hope. So we have 24. 20 plus 4, c'est 24. Okay, 20 plus 4. Okay, I push a 24. So, j'ai 24 heures pour finir. J'ai 24 heures pour finir. I have 24 hours to finish, okay? So, meron akong 20 araw na oras para matapos ko, okay? So, we have 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5, so, égale 25. So, 20 plus, yung 20 plus 5, it is equal to 25, okay? So, 25, 25. Il y a 25 pommes sur la table. Il y a 25 pommes sur la table. There are 25 apples on the table. Ang dami. We have a lot. Now we have 26. 20 plus 6 égale 26. 20 plus 6. Okay? 26. 26. Okay? So, il y a 26 élèves dans la classe. Il y a 26 élèves dans la classe. Next, we have 27 is 20 plus 7. 27. 20 plus 7 is 27. Okay? So, 27. Elle a 27 fleurs. Elle a 27 fleurs. She has 27 flowers. Okay? So, 26 et 27. Let's continue with 28. 28, 28. 20 plus 8 égale 28. 20 plus 8 equals 28, of course, in mathematics. So, il y a 28 jours en février. It depends, no? Kung leap year. Il y a 28 jours en février. Okay? Then, there are 28 days in February. Sa depend po yung pag-leap year, no? Then, we have 29. 29. 20 plus 9 égale 29. 9. 9. OK? Elle a 29 ans. Elle a 29 ans. Yung F, it will become a V. So, yung F po dyan, it will become a V kang victory. So, it will, and then you do the liaison. Pagdudugtongin po yun, kaya siya magiging elle a 29 ans. Okay? She is 29 years old. Siya ay 29 na taong gulang na. Thank you. Please repeat. 28, 28 et 29. 29, 29. Thank you. So, let's put them all together. Lesson 5.2 po. So, le nombre va jusqu'à 29. Okay? So, we have first 20, 20. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. Okay? Please repeat. 20, 21, 22, 23 et 24. Next, we have 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. So, we repeat. 25, 26, 27, 28 et 29. Please repeat po. 25, 26, 27, 28, et 29. Please huwag pong kakalimutang i-like, i-subscribe, at i-comment at samahan niyo po ako sa susunod nating aralin. Itutuloy po natin yan. Ang susunod po is 30. Nako, 31. Okay? So, see you soon. Thank you po.